Actually, I can't film a vlog. You can hear that. Okay, basically, I'm done with the lunch. Okay, so this is my smoothie. I did it with fraise, فراولة, milk, and a banana. So yeah, and some sweet, and that's it. Typically, I'm going to do some work on my laptop. I'm gonna first of all clean this mess, then I'm gonna start working because I have a lot of things to do. Yay! نحاول البيت شوية. It's not like really cold, so yeah, we'll benefit with some air, some fresh air. Okay, going downstairs, so yeah, we are going to fill this one, and we are going to take this one too.
Honey. Honey.
I'm waiting for my PC to open, then I'll open some music and we'll figure out what we'll be doing. Yeah. هذا هو البوك اللي نعمل فيه journaling. So I journal all my days here, like through the years. Oh my god. Anyways, it's like mixed, not 1 year. It's like mixed a lot of years. And yeah, I would journal today, so I don't know. I like to journal. I'm waiting for Spotify to open. And then I'm gonna start journaling. While waiting for Spotify باش نحكي لكم كيفاش نعمل الجورنالين بتاعي. Okay, this book I have like from 2020, like 2020. So what I would do, this is 16 April. I will read it's 16 April. I just write نكتب العام مثلا أنا توقف في 2023 ونكتب state متاعي I'm happy ولا sad ولا depressed ولا شبيني ونكتب مساج روحي selon الحالة اللي أنا فيها like it's so good. أنا اليوم باش نعمل le فيديو c'est ça. A lot of space. تهوني خاطر أحد like in some day they give you a lot of space. Yeah, so both of those. You will write a lot.
Honey.
Actually, I love journaling, so I'm done journaling. It was so good. And this, oh my god, where is it? Let me show it. This one, like, it's so good. I love it. It's with me like 3 years or 4 years, maybe. So I journal here everything. When I feel upset, I just journal here everything, just everything. So yeah, that's it. I feel now so great. I'm drinking my tea because I didn't complete it yet. Book. I took it from my friend to read it. Emotional intelligence. I read a little bit. So yeah, and I wanna read a lot today. Like yeah, I'm so interested in those topics. So yeah. Hello, so yeah, I'm done reading and I prayed Maghrib and yeah, I'm going to work a little bit. Like I didn't work literally today and I have deadline, so yeah, that's it.
Honey. Honey.